Food manufacturing business, Mordialloc, Victoria. Expand your business instantly without the hassle of starting from scratch with this awesome assets-only package. Currently based in Mordialloc, Victoria, this opportunity is perfect for a family, partnership, or established food manufacturing company. These food-registered premises were previously used for oil dry roasting nuts, mixing, packaging, and producing health food bars and choc coating, bars, biscuits, confectionery. A new lease can be offered on the spacious premises with the assets fully installed, or the equipment could be relocated. This turnkey operation is ideal for a similar food business that wants to expand the product range. Capable of producing high volumes of products, it could also be used to segregate certified organics, gluten-free, etc. There are many potential markets, including supermarkets, health food shops, wholesalers, schools, hotels, and more. There are also capabilities to offer clients contract roasting and packaging. The business is not currently operating as the owner has retired.